let's try another one with a trapezoid in it. And this time the height is 6 feet. Height is 6 feet. And the bases are 8 feet and 2 1/3 feet. Okay? So what's the first thing you want to do?
Draw a picture.
Yeah, you want the formula, but yeah, go ahead and draw the picture too. So we're going to go ahead and draw our picture. Alright, we got our height. And we've got 2 1/3. And we got 8. Okay, and then, yeah, of course you want to write out your equation. Area of a trapezoid. Okay, and then substitute in. So we said the height is 6 feet. And again, good idea to go ahead and convert that to an improper fraction. Substitute that in. So you should have gotten 7/3 feet plus 8 feet. So we have to do what here?
Put it into a fraction.
Yeah, so we put the 2 1/3 into a proper fraction, right? And we go ahead and substitute that into our equation, right? And now what?
Do the parentheses first.
Parentheses first, right? And so now we gotta do what within the parentheses? Before we can add them.
Times 8 foot by, times both of them by 3.
Right, we need a common denominator, right? Because we're adding. We're adding, right? So we need a common denominator. Okay? With fractions, anytime you add or subtract, you need a common denominator. Every single time. No matter what kind of equation you're working with. When you're multiplying or dividing, that's the only time you can cancel. You cannot cancel when you have an addition. Now here, you could cancel the 2 and the 6 because you're multiplying and dividing, right? The 2. But here, because of the plus, you cannot cancel the 2 and the 8. Cannot do that because of the plus. It must be only with multiplication and division. Okay? And it actually, well, we could say that this is where you're multiplying 1/2 times 6. Okay? Cancel that, but we're just going to wait until we simplify in the parentheses first. Okay, so we need a common denominator, which we said we can multiply 3/3 to get our common denominator. So that leaves us with 7/3 feet plus 8 times 3 is 24/3 feet. Okay, so we're just bringing down the 1/2 and the 6 feet again. Okay, and now 7 and 24, that's going to give us what? 31/3 feet. Okay, now we can cancel. Okay, we can only cancel the 2 and the 6, right? We cannot cancel the 2 and the 31, right? So we cancel 2 and the 6, and that's 3. Now, can we cancel again?
3s.
Yeah, the 3s. 3 can go into 3, and that's 1, right? So that leaves us with, what's in the numerator? 31, right. Over, anything in the denominator? No, they all cancel out to 1, right? So it comes out to 31 feet squared, right. Okay? Alright.
What if I wanted to do the 3 and a 6 first? Can you do that, or do you have to start from like?
From here to here?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can do that. That's fine. Yeah. Yeah. That won't hurt anything at all. Any other questions with that? Okay. Let's go to a new page. And let's say that we want to find the volume of a figure. And here we have our rectangular shape. And we have depth here. And we're given 20 yards, 8 yards, and 3 1/2 yards. And we want to find the volume. Okay, so in the worksheet, normally they'll just go ahead and tell you what the length, width, and height are, but I went ahead and put it in the shape already for you. Okay, now the equation for our volume, volume for our shape is what? Length times width times the height, right? And you can just write this as L, W, H, and automatically they're multiplied right into each other. Okay, so we want to go ahead and make that 3 1/2, change that to an improper fraction, right? Which would be 7/2, right? Yards. Okay, so go ahead and work that out. Plug those in. And while you're doing that, I'll do this up here. Now, if you put 8 and then 20 and then something, that really doesn't matter because it's all multiplication anyways. And I like to go with 2 in the larger number. Now, you could have canceled the 2 into the 8, gotten 4, and you still would have gotten the same answer. But again, I like to go for the larger number and then just a little bit easier with the smaller numbers. Okay, and so we get a volume of what? 560, right. And an easy way to look at this